Today we're going to look at the 175XL2 Ashland Dolly scraper. It's got a load capacity of 13.3 cubic metres and a weight of just over 10 tonne. Here on our Dolly model scraper, we utilise the standard drawbar with a 2-inch pin. It can be drawn with anything bigger than 300 horsepower. Along with the drawbar, we use 2 remotes. So one for lift and lower, and then the others on a sequence for the ejector and the apron. Makes it very simple to hook up, and you only require 2 remotes to make it work. This full Dolly section's one-piece structure with 23.5/25 tyres. Here we have the vertical lift cylinders. They allow the cutting edge to be lifted and lowered accurately at the front to allow for precision cutting and filling. Up here we've got the mechanical lockouts that allow you to lock the cutting edge up off the ground and allow the operator to safely access the cutting edges. The Ashland 175 comes with a laser mount mast so that you can adapt to GPS height control. This scraper has a 2.7 metre wide cutting width, and we utilise the serrated stinger to allow it to be able to cut into those denser and harder materials. Out here we've got the apron that opens up to 1500mm wide to allow all that heavy material to come out. No debris can get stuck in that opening because it opens all the way up. Along with the apron, we've got this ejector wall that comes all the way out to the cutting edge to ensure that material also comes out. Behind this guard here, we've got a sequence valve. That allows the one remote to run both the ejector and the apron. The apron opens first and then the ejector will come forward. Once the ejector is finished, the ejector will retract and then the apron will close. So this machine's got 2 tyres on the rear, 29.5/25. They're on a spindle assembly, so it's easy to put them on and take them off for maintenance. Inside the tail here, we've got the rear ejector cylinder and also the push block. It's used to assist with loading. If you'd like to know more about our Ashland scrapers, feel free to come and see us at Don Distribution.